Hey guys, you might be wondering what $800,000 will get you in Cumberland County, or Mechanicsburg more specifically. I'm going to show you today. This property here is listed for $800,000, is just under 4,700 square feet, has the option to have 6 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, has a fantastic solarium, tons of privacy. You come up what feels like a private lane. Stay tuned till the end of the video where I show you my favorite part. It's just my size. So if you're about 5'5", this tub's for you. If you guys want to see a little secret, let me show you. So this is the closet that goes with this bedroom with these phenomenal windows. But then you come in here and there's this little door. Ooh, what's behind it? Let's look. More storage. Gorgeous windows around the front door. You have this diagonal opening that mimics the diagonal windows down by the solarium. You have these, those three up there. You'll find more incredible windows in this secondary first floor bedroom. You can have a door, you can step right out, wake up, step outside. Let's say it's Christmas and you're sitting by the fire. It's crackling. You're feeling comfortable. You're feeling happy. And you think, oh, I think I need a little hot cocoa. What do? You go right here to your open floor plan kitchen and make yourself some. How many bowls do you need in your sink? I don't know about you, but I need 3. What kind of dishwasher do you need? I don't know about you, but I need a Bosch. What kind of oven do you need? I don't know about you, but I need a wall oven. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm done using my 3-bowl sink, I definitely need a trash compactor. What island do you need? I don't know about you, but I need a triangular one to match some of the windows in my house. Oh, and please make it 2-tiered so that people can eat here, talk to me while I'm cooking on my countertop range. But I need a desk in my kitchen. If you do too, here it is. I don't don't know about you guys, but I need sunshine, especially in the morning to wake me up. This is the perfect place to put a little breakfast table. A little fun tidbits about this property would include, it sits on about 5 3/4 acres. It was built in 1989, so it's not that old of a property, and it has tons of character. If you were to pay $800,000 for a new build, unless you could somehow find a model home, it's not going to have all the character that this one does. So you may be wondering by now what my favorite part is. I'll tell you, it's this window. It's a perfect circle. And if anybody knows me, they know I love a circle. You might think I'm making it up, but I do. It's fantastic. I love the idea of doing laundry in here and looking out my own little portal.